Hello, welcome to the stream. I started a little late today, but I have a little bit of time to work on some stuff, so let's get started. Alright, looks like the stream's working, kind of. Yep, alright, good. Alright, so yeah, today I decided I would see if I could do some more exporting of our samurai guy here and remember how to do it. So let me pull up my game dev notes. So if we select the armature and we select arms, legs, and the feet, that should be everybody. Hat, yeah, that should be good. Okay, and then we go to export, FBX. All right, and then I'm going to do selected objects, mesh, armature. And then I'm going to keep the scale at 1. I don't know, we'll see. I always have apply transform. Let's look. I did not write down whether to apply transforms, but I think I've already. I think I already have applied transforms, but why does this have a thing there? Let's see. Bake transform, warning, experimental option. Okay, well I think I baked all the transforms I need to, so. Alright, let's go here. This, I'm pretty sure you want face. And then apply modifiers, I think is fine. Alright, then I don't want the animations. I only want the armature bones. Okay. And then in here, we need to make a new folder and call it new samurai. Alright, it's not really very new, but it's alright. Alright. And we'll call it Samurai 2. Yeah, that's okay. Now hopefully that worked. Okay, so in here, that was a really fast kind of, just you click it and it goes, I don't know. I think there's a log somewhere in, there's a status bar. Yeah, here you go. Yeah, export finished. Okay. Hopefully that worked. Okay, let's see. Alright, so we're in here. Go to mesh. These are our basic shapes. We'll create a folder. Samurai. Alright, Samurai folder. Alright, let's see what happens. Okay, now when we're importing, what do we need to know? Alright, we want the skeletal mesh, we want the import mesh. This is all fine. Our skeleton is our skeleton, so yeah, let's leave it. We're not importing animations. Alright, let's go. I hate that it opens up this extra window. Okay. Yeah, this is another thing I kind of want to fix on our mesh here, but it's all right. We will. Okay, so here we are. We have our 3 pieces. If we open this guy up, looking all right. I think one thing I found was the see, like his chest is popping out. Oh, has it always been like that? I guess it always has. All right. Okay, so hey, Blind Alien Productions. I know you from the internet. Cool. Yeah. Everybody's streaming these days, right? Alright, so I am trying to get this model into the working again, so let's see, what else do we need to do here? Do we have a skeleton for it already? I guess it's right here. So, oh, that's the armature. Okay. And here's our skeleton. Okay, cool. I have a feeling this is everything we need to get started on this. Hi, Imran. How's it going? Just back to importing our samurai guy again. So, yeah. Okay. All right, let's export one of our oh yeah, I know what I wanted to try. Okay, so we have our guy here. He actually looks like the right height, doesn't he? Look at that. Okay, cool. Before, you would drag in our character and he would be a skyscraper. So this is progress with the redo here. Okay, so if we have that and we have the skeleton, we should be able to go back here. All right, this is where it's a little tricky. Let's just want the armature, I think. Yeah, Imran, it is. So I just I gray boxed out a quick map here. It's still not a real gray box because I need to use assets that sort of match. But what I was trying to do was create kind of a small proof of concept level. So there's a 30-second time limit to get through this level and kill all the bad guys. So this is about the size that I needed in order to actually succeed. So you can see here. Oh, there's still one left. I think that was everybody. So actually I was able to do it in 15 seconds at this point. So yeah. Oh, I lost all my life. So that time the enemies hacked me to death. Can't really see because there's no actual animation, but you can see if they get close to you, they take your life out. So pretty cool. So yeah, so that's what that is. All right, let's see. All right, back to remembering how to export animations. All right, let's see. All right, let's go to pose mode. All right. Currently in walk. Let's see, can we do T pose? We can. All right, and then let's do idle. All right, we got it. All right, so we've selected the animation. Now we want to make sure it's shown by the model, which it is. Okay. So I think we still need to select everything. All right, go to object mode. All right. I need to hide the hat and the hair. Okay. All right, I've selected, and the shoes. Let's select all those things. No, that's it. It's hard to tell what's been selected. Okay. All right. All right, there we go. Okay, everything's selected. We're in idle. But you know what? Idle. Okay, one of the issues I have to remember with my animations, they're all different lengths. So, thanks, Imran. Yeah. Yeah, it's I don't know, trying some new game mechanics, right? Okay, here we go. All right, we have this pose mode. All right, idle goes all the way to 40. So, and it repeats, so let's do 39. All right, now let's press play and see what it does. All right, cool. All right, So we have it now. Now we're going to go to object mode. All right, I think we're okay. Let's go to export, FBX, armature mesh, selected objects. All this is fine, but now we want to bake animations and I forget. Okay, let's look. All that stuff's fine. We've got face and everything still. Yep, okay. So now in here, for whatever reason, I remove this one and this one. I guess all actions would be all the actions that I have, so don't want to do that. Okay, and then this, we're just going to call it'll. All right. Let's hope that it works. All right, let's bring it into the game. All right, so in our samurai mesh, okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna put the samurai animations in here, and we can. The reason why I was thinking of not doing that is like the ninja could use the walk cycle and stuff for the samurai animation, so. New samurai item. Okay. I'm gonna open this up. All right, now this is where we're gonna be careful. So we don't want to import skeletal mesh. Okay, and then where'd it go? Okay. Oh yeah, so we select skeletal mesh. Okay, and then we say we're not importing it though. And then we select our samurai skeleton. And we can use the skeleton for everybody if we want. And then everything else should be fine. All right, let's import. All right, here we go. Okay. So I think this works. Let's see. Seems to be. Seems to be breathing. Okay, cool. All right, good. We have that. We have our guy. All right, and then the one thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to call this pixel. I'll give Invensia a little bit of credit here, but I need to modify this. Okay, so we have this. This is great. Okay, and then we're going to promote all these to variables. And then those are 1. I mean, those are 0. This is 1. I think that will help keep my stuff from being shiny. Okay. Apply. All right. Cool. And then, can I find out which ones? Yeah. Pixel base color. Okay, good. And then all right. so then, oh yeah, the other thing I want to do is, just want to apply paper 2D. Okay, so that's a little more. All right, and then I'm gonna delete this one and this one. Okay, I'm going to modify this guy first. All right, I don't know if you can tell, but he just got darker. Yeah, so that's because I changed the material to render it kind of more flat, I guess. Okay. All right, and then here we go. So we have these two material slots, and we just want to set them to this one. And that should change something. I don't know what exactly we're, the face maybe? All right, highlight. Oh, those are the shoes. Oh gosh, really? We have a whole material for the shoes. All right, maybe one day we'll fix that too. I don't know. Okay. Eventually we just have to ship this game, so, okay. So we have these two. They're using the same material now though, same texture, so hopefully that's efficient enough. Okay, and then I'm going to delete this. You should not be referencing it. Okay. Did I not save it? Yeah, now no one's doing it. Okay. And this one. All right, good. All right, so now we have our single material and texture. And the other thing that we do is we are going to move this to our material. Move this to our texture. Okay. Now we're splitting this up, but it's going to be okay. Pretty sure I am no longer using large file storage for materials because they're just code really, but the textures are all stored in large file storage. These textures are not that big, but you know, a big texture like a background texture or something would be huge, right? So, yeah. All right. So we have that. We have an animation. All right. While we're here, let's do. All right. Which slash is the right one? What's /2? Oh, okay. Yeah, so that's the... Alright, let's do /1, and then /1 goes to 20, and I think it's just 20 because it's not really repeating. Okay. Alright, we'll stop it. We got this all collected. Export. It's good if you're in a rhythm already for this because you have all the settings already set up, so... we'll call this the dash slash. Yeah. Okay. Now we'll do sheath sword, which goes all the way to 40. All right. Pause. Export. All right, sheath sword. All right, and then, so we have our idle, we've got slash, we have put away the sword. We could bring in /2 as well. All right, that goes to 20. I don't know if I'm going to use this for my guy here, but I've been going back and forth of whether there should be a we'll call it overhead slash. I've been going back and forth about whether I should have like additional attacks or not. Okay. So the walk cycle's tricky because it ends at 17. All right, let's see what it looks like at 17. Press play here. I think 17 looks good though, actually. Oops, I clicked something. What did I just do? All right, let's do 16. That looks smoother. All right. All right, let's export that. All right. I guess if I mess something up in my scale or whatever, I will be replaying the stream footage to figure it out. Okay. We're going to export the walk. Okay, I think we have everything that we need. I don't think we really need the T-pose, so. There's also a hat action and a hair action. Okay, cool. Yeah, what's up with this Z rotation? Was that always like that? Okay. Save. All right, I think we're a little over time, but I think I just want to get to the end of this import. So let's go. I wonder if I can import all of them at the same time. Where'd that mess us up? Okay, we already have idle. Say open. Do not import the mesh. Set it to the skeleton and call it a day. This could happen. Failed. What does that mean? Okay, great. Content. So now we have all these things. We have overhead slash. It seems to have worked. So what's the problem? Okay. That seems fine. All right. Man, we gotta work on this walk cycle. Looks like it got worse actually from the resizing maybe. So maybe we do have some artifacting from the weight painting here is not good anymore, I guess. Yeah, player's gonna notice that. That looks bad. Okay. So we have to redo the walk, I guess, or fix the walk. So, but I think everybody else looks pretty good. All right. What was that error? Where's her? think as long as the yeah, it's funny. It kind of threw that warning or something, but didn't really. Oh, I guess these are the things. Building the animation data. Wrongly reassign at import. Huh. Found texture name clash, but they're animations. So. Anyway, okay, so maybe it was something like that. There shouldn't be any textures here. Yeah, okay. Cool. All right, save all. And so here we go. We have our, let's see. So the material doesn't have the large file storage, but I guess, no. Yeah, am I storing, I guess I'm storing anything inside the mesh in the large file storage. And then the textures are there too. Okay, so imported Samurai animations. All right, cool. So yeah, maybe tomorrow we'll work on actually wiring up some animations. So thanks for tuning in. All right.